Hi parents, in this video I will explain why there is no such thing as sleep training a baby. And that you do not train your baby to do anything. At the end of the video I will share with you the 3 most important facts about baby sleeping you should know, so stay tuned till the end. You can guide your baby, help your baby, support your baby and so on, but you do not sleep train a baby. Sleep training a baby may be a commonly used term for a number of methods that help babies steady their sleep patterns and arrange a proper routine around them. But you do not sleep train a baby. There are a number of sleep methods to help your baby sleep better at night. When the method you are reading suggests sleep training a baby, this is not the method you should use. Some of the well-known methods around are the Ferber method, the Cry It Out method, the fading method, the no tears method, and much more. You as the parent have the option to choose your type of method, but you need to choose wisely. You are not the issue here, and your lack of sleep is not the issue when you choose a sleeping method to help your baby. Your baby is the most important thing, and you should pick a method that is right for him, and then for you. Here are the 3 most important facts about baby sleeping you should know. Number 1. Bedtime routines are the most effective way to take your baby to sleep. Number 2. Not every baby is the same and you should adopt a routine that fits your baby and you. Number 3. It happens to almost every parent. It is not just you. It is not your parenting skills nor your baby. Trust me, you will get there. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.